Traxxas TRX 4 Sport. The Traxxas TRX 4 Sport is a rugged, high-performance RC crawler built for adventure. Designed for off-road enthusiasts, it features portal axles for extra ground clearance, a lightweight yet tough chassis, and superior articulation to tackle rough terrain. Unlike other models, the Sport version strips away extras, focusing purely on performance and durability. Its waterproof electronics let you conquer mud, water, and rocks without worry. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, the TRX 4 Sport delivers an exciting, reliable, and customizable experience. With strong aftermarket support, you can modify and upgrade it to suit your style. It's the perfect choice for those who love RC crawling at its best. Axial SCX 10-2. The Axial SCX 10-2 Deadbolt RTR is a rugged, ready-to-run rock crawler built for adventure. With its 4WD drivetrain, metal gear transmission, and waterproof electronics, it handles rough terrain like a champ. The Deadbolt body gives it a bold, aggressive look, while its licensed 1.9-inch Falcon Wild Peak M/T tires provide superior grip on rocks, dirt, and mud. A WB8 HD Wildbore driveshaft and adjustable aluminum shocks enhance durability and performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced RC enthusiast, the SCX 10-2 Deadbolt offers a fun, reliable, and capable off-road experience. Straight out of the box, it's built to conquer trails and obstacles with ease, making it a great choice for RC crawling fans. Element Enduro Sendero RTR. The Element Enduro Sendero RTR is a rock-solid, ready-to-run RTR trail truck built for off-road adventures. Designed with performance in mind, it features a chassis-mounted servo, a StealthX gearbox, and an adjustable wheelbase, giving you great control over rough terrain. Its realistic body design, complete with molded accessories, adds to its rugged charm. The independent front suspension, IFS, ensures smooth handling, while the waterproof electronics let you drive in various conditions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crawler, the Sendero RTR delivers durability and fun straight out of the box. If you're looking for an affordable and capable rock crawler, this one won't disappoint. HPI Venture 18. The HPI Venture 18 Toyota Hilux SR5 is a rugged 1/18 scale RC truck built for adventure. Inspired by the legendary Toyota Hilux SR5, this model combines durability and off-road performance in a compact size. With realistic body details, four-wheel drive, and a strong chassis, it tackles rough terrain effortlessly. Its oil-filled shocks and high-torque motor ensure smooth handling over rocks, dirt, and trails. Whether you're an RC hobbyist or an off-road enthusiast, the Venture 18 offers endless fun. Compact, powerful, and adventure-ready, it's a mini version of a true off-road legend. Traxxas TRX 4 Land Rover Defender. The Traxxas TRX 4 Land Rover Defender is a powerhouse in the world of RC crawlers. Designed for adventure, this 1/10 scale rig blends rugged performance with realistic scale details. With portal axles, it offers impressive ground clearance, making rough terrain feel like a walk in the park. The high and low transmission and remote locking differentials let you adapt to any challenge, whether it's rocky trails or muddy paths. Plus, its officially licensed Land Rover Defender body adds a classic, off-road look. Whether you're a beginner or an RC pro, the TRX 4 delivers an unbeatable mix of durability, realism, and capability. If you're looking for a tough, trail-ready RC, this one won't disappoint. Axial SCX 10-3. The Axial SCX 10-3 Base Camp RTR is built for adventure. Designed for rock crawling and trail driving, this ready-to-run truck offers a perfect blend of durability, performance, and simplicity. With a strong steel chassis, oil-filled shocks, and a refined suspension system, it tackles tough terrain with ease. The single-speed transmission keeps things simple for new drivers while still delivering solid torque and control. Plus, its realistic scale details and rugged tires make it both stylish and capable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced RC enthusiast, the SCX 10-3 Basecamp is a reliable choice for outdoor fun. Just charge it up, hit the trails, and let the adventure begin. Element Zuul 2. Element Zuul 2 is an advanced API gateway designed for high-performance microservices. It improves on its predecessor by offering better scalability, resilience, and low-latency request processing. Built by Netflix, Zuul 2 enables dynamic routing, load balancing, and real-time monitoring, making it ideal for large-scale applications. With its asynchronous and non-blocking architecture, Zuul 2 efficiently handles millions of requests per second. It also supports custom filters, allowing developers to modify requests and responses seamlessly. While Netflix no longer actively maintains Zuul 2, its powerful capabilities still make it a preferred choice for API management. Zuul 2 remains a reliable option in modern cloud-native environments. Redcat Ascent Fusion. The Redcat Ascent Fusion is a high-performance astrophotography telescope designed for deep sky imaging. Built by William Optics, it combines precision optics with a lightweight, portable design, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced astronomers. Featuring high-quality glass, a fast focal ratio, and excellent color correction, the Redcat Ascent Fusion delivers sharp and detailed images of galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. Its compact size makes it easy to transport, perfect for capturing stunning celestial views from remote locations. Whether you're an astrophotography enthusiast or a casual stargazer, the Redcat Ascent Fusion offers an incredible balance of quality, performance, and portability for exploring the wonders of the night sky. FMS FCX 10K5. The FMS FCX 10K5 is an exciting addition to the world of RC crawlers. With a licensed Chevrolet K5 Blazer body, this 110 scale model offers both nostalgia and performance. It features portal axles for increased ground clearance, a 2-speed transmission, and metal gears, making it a beast on rough terrain. The 4-link suspension system ensures stability, while the realistic LED lights enhance its appearance. Whether you're an RC hobbyist or a beginner, the FCX 10K5 delivers fun and durability. Its RTR, ready-to-run, design makes it easy to use straight out of the box. Experience the thrill of off-road driving with this powerful and stylish RC truck. Vanquish VRD Stance RTR. The Vanquish VRD Stance RTR is a high-performance RC drift car designed for enthusiasts who crave precision and style. Built on Vanquish reputation for top-tier engineering, this ready-to-run model features an advanced chassis, smooth suspension, and responsive handling for effortless drifting. Its aggressive stance and sleek design make it stand out, while the detailed bodywork adds to its realism. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drifter, the VRD Stance RTR delivers an exciting experience right out of the box. With durable components and fine-tuned performance, this RC car is built for those who love speed and control. Simply charge, power up, and hit the track. Traxxas Summit. The Traxxas Summit is a beast of an RC truck built for extreme terrain. With its massive tires, high ground clearance, and innovative remote locking differentials, it can crawl over rocks, power through mud, and handle rough trails with ease. The dual-speed transmission lets you switch between high-speed action and low-speed crawling, making it incredibly versatile. Waterproof electronics mean rain and puddles are no problem, while the Titan 775 motor delivers serious torque. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just love RC adventures, the Summit is a top choice for tackling the toughest challenges. Built tough and designed for fun, this RC truck is ready for any adventure you throw at it. Vanquish H10 Optic Kit. The Vanquish H10 Optic Kit version is a high-performance sighting solution designed for precision and reliability. Built with cutting-edge optics, it offers crystal-clear vision, making target acquisition faster and more accurate. Whether you're a tactical shooter or an outdoor enthusiast, the H10 delivers unmatched durability and clarity. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, while the advanced coatings enhance visibility in various lighting conditions. With a rugged build and precision engineering, this optic kit is perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. If you're looking for top-tier optics that combine innovation and performance, the Vanquish H10 is a solid choice.